now we are looking at a property which is located in Taramani. So our mark location is on this side. So it is 1.4 kilometer exactly from this side. If you go straight and take left, our mark location is on the left side. So here we have more orders placement this side. So we have came to see this side, and we can see, so our targeted property is on the first floor. So on the ground floor we have basics, and at the left side we have a freshly made, and at the second floor we have a solid gym. So actually from that corner to this building, so the same owner. So at that side we have a royal shoppe, and for cost ventilation we can use this side and back side. But actually it is a 2400 square feet of area we have, but the owner is ready to give partition on this side for us. So we can plan cross ventilation on this side. So it is a main road with bridge, so we can see, so it is on the very main corner. So at the left side we have very good road facility, and we have very good parking. On the right side also we have very good space. So we have service road here, so we don't have any problem for taking anything. And we have a U-turn 100 meter away from here, and we have another U-turn here this side. So it will be not a problem for a U-turn issue. So it is not a problem, we can see. So at the right side we have a gym at the ground floor, and at the first floor it is vacant. It is 460 square feet only. So we have moved to this property. So now we can go to the first floor, and we have an underground drainage system here, and separate stormwater line we have separately here. We can see all over the properties. So we have all over the road separate visibilities. So here the gym parking will be occupied, and at that side we can park our vehicles. So we can see it is the parking. So here we can park everything, so we don't have any problem for parking space. And we have underground sump. For whole property we have 12,000 square feet of underground sump, and from the steps parking to the steps we have 5 feet, and from here staircase 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So 20 steps we have. So so here we have a separate restroom at this side for this whole property. So if we are taking this side, the owner will be giving some other tenant for this side. So most probably we can take this side, because it is little bit L-shaped property this side we have. So we can't able to do anything this side. As we can see, the shutter is here and the power is on this wall. But if the owner is going to make a closed wall here like this side, so we can take full-fledged on this side itself. But on square feet it will be low, so I can't able to measure this as it is locked. So I have only taken this side. So here we have 1406 square feet of carpet area we have. So it is slightly, the building is slightly coarse. You can see at the corners it hasn't expanded. So at this side also it is expanded like this. So from that wall to this wall corner we have 43.3. So if we calculate exactly without that edge corner, we will be getting 41.3. So I have calculated 41.3 to this side we have, so for this side we have 42 feet, that is the extension. But that side if we calculate on this to this, so until this wall we have 24 feet. So if we go to the extent, we have around 30 feet to that wall, but it is not fully occupied. So I have calculated until this, and this square alone it is 1300 square feet we have. And if you want to make a partition, the owner is ready to give. So according to this we can do. So it is they have covered actually the existing tenant, so they have covered this room for just changing room. Actually it is existingly used as a showroom, that is garments. So they have made a dressing just changing room here, we can see. So this side they have made a room type thing they have constructed. So we can remove these things. And here we have a restroom here. So we can see at the inside they have constructed a restroom. But if you want, we can remove this also. So here the ceiling height is very good. We have from the floor to the ceiling we have 11 feet. So below the beam we have 9 feet, and flooring we have marble flooring. So we can see we have a 2 feet of balcony here. So all over the property we have 2 feet of balcony, and it is the road view. So we can see. So this side also we have the balcony. So if you are planning to take this side, so we can make arrangements for gas tank at the entry. We can see. So if we are going to take here, we can make a fabrication here, and we can use this as grass bank, and we can take connection from this side, or else we can keep this side and we can take connection from this side itself. So that will be out of the property only, this outlet only. So we can see it is the property. So I asked the owner for the sketch to get the exact details, because we can see, so the pillars were, so you can see the pillars were getting extended from here. So it is like V shape, so it is expanding like this. So this, up to this pillar we have a square, from that pillar to this pillar if we calculate the square, but that extension gets extended. So I have asked the owner for the map, so he said he will check and give. So actually at the terrace we don't have any space, so for DG also we have to ask the owner at the ground floor only. So at the second floor we have a gym, and at the third floor also we have a terrace gym. So as it is a gym, we have access to the terrace. So we can see it is the space we have. So they have given this space for rent for gym on the terrace, and this is the lift room. And we can see it is a staff resting area that they have made for some tenants. So it will extend to that building. So as I said, until that building, the owner's building only. That's why the owner have made a entry from this side to that side. And we have a lift here, lift room here, and the tank is, so one is for this side, and the cement tank is constructed on this side. So you can see, so the owner said it is 8,000 square feet of 8,000 liters capacity for all the building. So we can see at the back side. So this side we have a setback of 5 feet. So if you want to make any changes, we can, that is opening fresh air for this side. So we can take, if we are taking this side, we can take fresh air from this side, and we can put the exhaust on this side. But if we are taking on that side, we have very good ventilation system. So this is the overall property view. Please see the property and share the feedback.